Meaning of industrial tribunal.
Industrial tribunal.
Industrial tribunal.
Industrial tribunal.
Industrial tribunal. An industrial tribunal is a court-like body that deals with disputes between employers and employees related to workplace rights and employment law. When an employee feels they have been unfairly treated or dismissed, they can bring a case to the tribunal to seek a resolution. The tribunal will hear evidence from both parties and make a decision based on the facts presented. The result could include reinstatement of the employee, compensation, or other remedies depending on the nature of the case. The decision of the tribunal is legally binding and enforceable.